Hi everyone. In today's video, I'm going to be giving you a full review of the T-Mobile home internet in 2026, including how it actually works, the speeds that you can expect, and whether it's actually worth getting. So if you are thinking about switching your home internet or replacing the cable service, make sure that you watch this video till the very end. So T-Mobile Home Internet is a wireless home internet service that uses T-Mobile's 5G network instead of the traditional cable or the fiber lines. Instead of running the cables into your home, the services uses a 5G gateway device that receives a cellular signal and converts it to the Wi-Fi for your house. Now, one of the biggest advantages of this service is very simple setup. In most of the cases, you just have to plug in the gateway device, place it near a window, and connect your devices to Wi-Fi. You usually don't need a technician or any complicated installation. When it comes to the speed, T-Mobile home internet can typically deliver the download speeds between about 100 Mbps to 400 Mbps depending on your location and the signal strength. Upload speeds are usually lower but still good enough for the video calls, uploading the files, and the everyday internet usage. Another big benefit is simple pricing. Many plans offer a flat monthly cost with unlimited data and no long-term contracts, which makes it easier to manage as compared to the some other traditional internet services. However, there are a few downsides too. Because the service depends on the cellular towers, the internet speeds can vary depending on the network congestion and the coverage in your area. Overall, the T-Mobile home internet works best for the homes that don't have fiber available, people who want easy installation, or the households that mainly stream, browse, or work online. So T-Mobile home internet is actually worth it in 2026. In my opinion, for many households, it can be a simple and affordable alternative to the traditional internet, especially if you have strong 5G coverage in your area. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.